Hey tea lovers! Summer is right around the corner, the weather's getting warmer, and it is the perfect time to try these 3 brand new and fun iced tea recipes. We're going to start with our iced mango black tea. This one is based with our organic Assam, which is a delicious and smooth black tea. To begin this recipe, peel and cut up a mango into small pieces. We're going to muddle those mango pieces in a glass and then top that with ice. While this is happening, you can steep your Assam tea for 3 to 5 minutes in nearly boiling temperature water. Once that's done, you can remove the tea leaves and dissolve the honey into the steeped tea. Add the tea to the glass with ice and mango, give it a stir, a taste, add some lemon juice if desired, and enjoy this delicious and refreshing iced tea. Next up, let's make our Virgin Strawberry Bliss Mojito. This one is based with our organic mint bliss tea, which adds the perfect minty flavor to this. We're going to start by steeping our tea for 3 to 5 minutes with about 8 ounces of nearly boiling filtered water. Next, we're going to muddle our strawberries in a glass and add some ice on top. Add the soda water and lime juice, and then add the tea and agave syrup to taste. Stir, add a lime wedge for garnish, and enjoy this delicious and refreshing drink, perfect for any summer day. Next up is our Passion Tea Teeny, made with our organic passion tea. This one does include alcohol, but it is optional if you prefer a mocktail. We're going to start by steeping our tea leaves in about 6 ounces of nearly boiling filtered water for 5 to 7 minutes. Once this is done, remove the tea leaves, dissolve the honey into the steeped tea, and let cool to room temp. We're going to rim a martini glass with sugar, add the tea, vodka, lemon juice, and ice to a shaker, and shake well. Once that's well combined, strain this into your martini glass, garnish with a lemon, and enjoy this delicious mocktail or cocktail depending on what the vibe is. I hope you enjoyed learning these 3 really fun iced tea recipes. We tried all 3 and loved them, but all the recipes will be down below for full steps and ingredients, and we hope that if you try them, tag us in a photo online. We would love to see your creations. Happy steeping and happy summer, everyone! Bye-bye!